I'm swimming in everything you said. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Instead, I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.
So today is Wednesday. Today is day 6 and for the first time wala ko nag-breakfast sa hotel kay grabe tulog kayo ko, like tulog jud ko. Now I'm so hungry. Humana ang breakfast sa hotel. So 7-Eleven. Nakita ko breakfast sa mall. Sa gilid na mall, sa Festive Walk Mall. Because I'm so hungry. The other bed is already empty. Kain ulit na si Mama sa Davao. So, alone. Okay, bye-bye. So, nakadiri sa Festive Walk Mall. Magkaon lang ako nakadiri, pero puno ang Jollibee. So, we'll go to Netong's La Paz Batchoy. Let's go!
Hello everyone! So this is a very late vlog, pero tanawa lang gihapon ninyo. So as I've mentioned earlier, kaninga day ni adto kog La Paz Market kay mukaon kog La Paz Batchoy diri sa Netong's, and of course, mag-coffee po diri sa Madge Cafe. Aside sa batchoy, nag-order po kog puto, lami kayo, hubas ni tanan. And of course, this is not me kung dili magkape. So, nihabit po ko diri sa Madge Cafe. This is my second time diri sa Madge. And the place never disappoints. Dugay na po ni siya na coffee shop. Aside sa barato, lami po kayo lahang coffee. Success ang La Paz Batchoy sa Netong's La Paz Market, La Paz Palengke. How do you do fit check? So this is it. We're not going to a party. We're going to work. So today is Wednesday shift. Wednesday shift. So basig nagtuom mo naglag-lag ako diri sa Iloilo ako nag-work. So today is Wednesday shift and we're about to go to the office. Wala na ulan, kusog ang ulan kaganina actually. After init ulan, but so far nag-stop na ang ulan. So let's go. Good morning. Today is a Thursday and it's been a week since nag-abot ko Iloilo. Tapos kayo, going back to Manila this Saturday. But today will be a busy day at work. So, human ako breakfast. It's currently 11:36 a.m. And I don't know, gusto ko mag-explore kadali. Go to a local coffee shop. Pero tamad is waving. Tamad. Kapoy mo bangon pa. But let's see. I think I'll go to Atria, kina daw coffee shop dito. Neighbor Cafe, something. Yeah. I think muadto dito kadali. Mag-coffee lang kadali. And then balik na po sa hotel and then sleep or nap and then prepare to go to work later tonight. Bye! coffee shop, either Madge na naa diri sa Atria or Neighbor Cafe. So let's see asa siya dapit. Nice po ang ambiance ang House of Monkeys Cafe. Nice siya sa sulod. Found it! So dali rin ako nakita ng Neighborhood Coffee. And then nakita po na ako ni sa TikTok randomly. Or nagapangita ko mga coffee shops around Iloilo City. And then nag-ingon nga lami dahil lahang coffee. And based sa akong experience, I will rate it at 10 out of 10. Kay legit, lami dyan lahang kape. Pati pagka-prepare sa lahang coffee, howd. I will surely be back if na ay chance. Just look at that coffee, so pretty. After na nga nagtuyok-tuyok lang ko kadali diri sa Atria, and then taod-taod balik na sa hotel kay work na pud pagkagabi. So guys, if you're in Iloilo, don't miss the chance gyud na mukaog seafood. Kailangan kig seafood, and then barato ra compared sa prices diri sa Manila. So this night, kauban ako akong mga trainers. So we had dinner. Kusog ang ulan ani, pero yeah, we enjoyed our dinner before mi nag-adto sa office para mag-work. Hello. Parang hello. Samurai. Good morning. So today is a Friday. Bago lang ko nakabalik sa hotel, gikan sa office. And it's so hugs. Kapoy kayo today. We're going to Jollibee. Di na ako kahulat sa breakfast sa hotel. Kay gutom na kayo. Maroon ako mamatay. Good thing, Jollibee is open 24/7. It is a festive mall. I'll just go ahead and buy something to eat. And just like that, mamaladayin ko kaon. Kuha na ko nag-video kay kung pang kayo diretso na kaon. Karon, I'm so sleepy na. Let's go! after natulog, nakamata ko ano yung mga around 2 or 3 p.m. siguro and gigutom ko. So nikaon ko diri sa JD, which is dool ra pud siya sa hotel na akong gistayhan. Nagkaon ko pansit molo and empanada. Tapos, as usual, dili ta mo balik o dili ta makakape. So, another TikTok find is kaning Loco Cafe. It's also a local cafe in Iloilo City. Dami po dilahang coffee. Dili kay dako ilahang place, but it's cozy. And then, medyo tamis na siya gamay sa akong panlasa. But overall, it's a good coffee. Today is a Saturday and check out na ko ngayon sa hotel by 12 p.m. It's already 9:30 a.m. Wala ko nag-breakfast kay tao sa breakfast. Wala na yung table and then late ako nakamata kay work pa earlier. So I don't know, mahipos na ako karon sa mga gamit. And then check out by 12. Look for a place to eat. Bilhin lang sana ako ang luggage sa front desk. And then mato na akong airport around 3 p.m. kaya ang flight is 6 p.m. So at least earlier ko dito and then avoid pa na ako ang traffic ko doon ng airport. So that's it. Iloilo was fun. So busy for these past few days at work and everything, but it was fun. Last view outside the window. So I'm checking out. Napak na tanan. We're going back to Manila. Pero 3 p.m. pa akong pick up padulong airport. I don't know asa ko mo adto karon. If not sa mall, I think kana nearby coffee shop. Actually na Starbucks sa may atbang lang diri sa hotel. Pero di pa ko sure. Let's see, or maybe somewhere sa Haro, or I really don't know. So, wala akong charger. Oh no. Bilhin ang tak. After na ako nag-check out sa hotel, gibilin lang sana ako akong mga luggage sa front desk. And then nag-lunch ko diri sa Big Beast, diri la sa Festive Walk Mall. Tapos lagi siya sa Richmond pod kung asa ko nagstay. During sa akong flight pa uli, kay grabe ka lain sa akong tiyan, sige siya kulo-kulo. Feeling na ako kanigid ang reason, kaning ice cream. Karon lang ako na-realize. But I survived. done with lunch. And today, maato ko sa Brandy Museum. Wala ako naka-adto dito last time, pero naka-adto ko sa Ilomoca, which is katapad lang niya ng museum. But this time, try to go to the Brandy Museum. I know, daghan ako na suggest na museums na pwede adtoan sa Iloilo City. Pero, i-add gihapon ako ning Brandy Museum. Last year, wala ko nakaanhi dire, but this time, I was able to visit the museum kaya naapa ko'y time before going to the airport. And libre lang siya, wala siya bayad. So, specialized museum ni siya, focused on the history, craft, and culture of Spanish brandy. So, mabasahan ninyo dire ang iyahang history, origin, hangtod sa modern process na. Naapod sila ay cafe nga ga-serve og coffee and drinks infused with brandy. Plus, naapod sila ay souvenir shop where you can buy brandy or katong bottles lang for memorabilia. And after sa museum, nibalik na ko sa hotel para kuhaon akong luggage. It's time to go to the airport para sa akong flight going back to Manila. I had so much fun in this Iloilo trip. I was able to spend some time exploring the city and of course be productive at work as well. I'll definitely be back. Thank you guys for watching all my videos during this trip and hopefully you'll continue supporting. Bye!